Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to welcome Hind Sabri to the stage and present her with the Omar Sharif Award.
I'm so honored, thank you so much, to stand here tonight at the Golden Globes receiving an award that carries the name of Omar Sharif. Omar Sharif was not just an icon for Arab cinema. He was a bridge between worlds, a storyteller who taught us that identity is not a limit, but a legacy. His journey opened doors for generations of Arab artists, including myself. From the very first edition, as a jury member, I remember, to this moment today, it truly feels like we've become family. So thank you very much.